Hello again guys, in this quick video I'll show you how to unzip files on your mobile phone. Okay, the first thing that you need to do is just open your phone storage or files or folders. Here I have my files application here. I'm going to click this and let's go to my phone storage or to the storage where you save your zip files. Okay, and I'm going to scroll and look for a specific zip files here on my phone. Okay, as you can see here, I have my zip files here. I'm going to choose this by tapping, and then after that choose this option more, and I'm going to extract this, extract to, and there are two options here where you're going to extract your files to the current location or the custom location. Here I'm going to choose current location and I'm going to tap OK. And as you can see, the file has been unzipped. Okay, that's it guys on how to unzip files on your mobile phone. If you think this video helps you a lot, keep following and subscribe to this channel for more video tips. Thank you guys.